superstars Amitabh Bachchan, Kamal Hassan and Mammootty have one thing in common. Guess what? All of them have won 3 national awards each for Best Actor. Having won National Award for his performance in Pa, Amitabh Bachchan now has 3 Best Actor awards in his kitty. He had earlier won Best Actor awards for his role in Agnipath and Black. He also won National Award for his performance in his debut film Saath Hindustani, but it was in the Best Newcomer category. Kamal Hassan too has won 3 national awards. He bagged the Best Actor awards for his performance in Moondaram Pirai, Nayagan and Indian. He won National Award for his role in Selvam, but it was in the Best Child Artist category. Malayalam superstar Mammootty has won 3 national awards for the Best Actor category. He bagged Best Actor awards for his roles in Babasaheb Ambedkar, Uruvadukkan Veeragatha and Vidayan. He was nominated for National Film Awards for 2009 too, but lost to Amitabh Bachchan. Well, with all the superstars winning 3 national awards each, it will be interesting to see who among them backs the next prestigious national award.